Why do we train in our life and throughout our life? Training always comes out of a need. Either we feel it ourselves or somebody tells us we have the need. And whether that's at school learning a new language or a calculation, or later driving a car, the learning doesn't stop. And the learning doesn't stop because the world around us evolves and creates new needs. And so the world has evolved in realizing that patients need to be engaged throughout medicine's development. And we in pharma had to humbly acknowledge that we did not know very well how to do that, and we still do not know enough. So we need training. And we need this training to be consistent. Consistent to provide a quality around the world, around therapeutic areas, that is the same, so that patients always get the best interactions possible. And so as we sat together, which is something new also, is to sit together and to discuss common needs in a non-competitive, above-product way, we realized that the best way was to work together, to create something that would become industry standard, and not something that would only represent one company or one therapeutic area or one country. So once we had defined our common need, we proposed to PFMD if they could please help us, instead of each of us trying to find a solution in our own corner. And that is why we now have this initiative, because the PFMD board saw the opportunity as well as the common need, and that's exactly what they're about. At Servier, our vocation, which is our reason to even exist, is to bring therapeutic progress that meets patient needs. The number one priority is to include the patient perspective in everything we do. We truly have a need to reach each and every employee in every country, in every function, in every indication, to understand deeply the basics of patient engagement. And in addition to being able to reach everybody in their language, in a format that works for them, in an efficient way that we can track and monitor, we also want to make sure that what is delivered to them is not just the company's or even my opinion, but really represents the best out there. And this training by PFMD is co-created with patients and with industry and with other stakeholders. And therefore it's not a single person's opinion, but it truly is the standard. And so we really intend to roll this training out company-wide. To all of you and any one of you who is about to embark on this training, I want to first thank you, because you're part of a true cultural shift that is happening not only in our company, but across the world, in making something a new way of working. That makes it almost a historical moment, because very soon we will have to only learn in history lessons that there was indeed a time when the industry did not work with patients. And you are the pivoting point. That's why we need all of you to really engage with this. And I want to thank you for that.